This is the final bit of video. If you want to create, I've shown you how to curve the track. If you want the track to bend up this way or this way, what you need to do is you need to cut, instead of just cutting right across to one side to do a bend, what you can do is you can cut the actual walls on both sides, but leave the track at the bottom solid. And depending on how close together these are, that will determine how much bend you can get. If you put them really close together, you can bend it quite a lot. If you put them a bit further apart, the bend will be less easy. So it really depends on what you want. So then I turn it around, and once again, I'm cutting the rail about 1 centimetre apart up to the beginning of the track. So with the curve, we start on one side, we cut all the way across to the beginning of the other wall. This, we're just cutting both walls. So now we've taken our straight section of track, and because it's of these cuts, you can actually bend your track, and with using tape to hold it in position, you can create a curve that goes down, or you could probably even at a stretch have a little bit of a hill that does this, that bends up. You might need to use some extra paper to do that, to get a hill that does that, and a little bit of ingenuity with your tape and whatnot, but that's a possibility as well. But certainly this would work very well for, I think this is best for like a ski jump. If you wanted to create like a ski jump effect, it would be a very handy way of doing that. You now have quite a bit of technology to build your roller coaster. Obviously, when I showed you how to build your L's, if you were to take an L shape or a couple of them and put them together, you can see that you can obviously use a toilet roll as a post, but a couple of these L's engineered together will make a very nice bracket to support your roller coaster. So you could actually tape that to your base and then have your track sitting on top of it. So that would be an option as well as a support to help build your roller coaster if you run out of toilet rolls, or if you decide this might be a better way of doing it. So you can use cardboard to build supports as well. So there's a whole lot of things that you can use to create a really fantastic roller coaster. Enjoy your day.